With the tornado cleanup comes the insurance claims. Okay, good evening. I'm Robert Havelock. Thanks for joining us.
And I'm Britt Marino. USAA alone tells us it's handled more than 1,000 of these thus far. KXAN's Daniel Medine checked in with some homeowners to see how the process has been going for them.
He also checked to see whether the insurance industry is ready to handle the influx.
We saw the storms coming. We were watching, actually KXAN, watching all that going on.
On the outskirts of Georgetown, John Miles has some cleanup to do on his property. But seeing what happened just down the road, he knows it could have been way worse.
We're very fortunate.
Still, Miles has filed an insurance claim. He says so far the process has been smooth.
Yeah, the insurance stuff is good.
No problems either for Robert Rosenbush. He's dealing with a collapsed front porch.
My daughter's car was parked underneath it at the time, so it has seen its end, obviously.
During the 2021 winter freeze, the Texas Department of Insurance, the state's regulator, suspended certain laws to speed up the claims process. We asked the TDI if they think they may need to do that again. The TDI says more than 500,000 claims were tied to the winter storm overall. That many claims are not anticipated from this tornado outbreak.
It's not quite as widespread as the freeze was as far as different geographic areas.
When it comes to staffing, USAA says unlike other industries, the insurance biz has been somewhat insulated because many insurance jobs, like adjusters, are specialized, often lifelong careers.
We have not seen that impact necessarily in the insurance industry.
Back near Georgetown, Miles says he's been in contact with an adjuster.
He'll be out later this week to look at everything.
Daniel Medine, KXAN News.
And we were curious how many claims have been filed after Monday's event. The TDI directed us to the Insurance Council of Texas. We have reached out and we'll let you know when we get a response.